Ever feel like your brain is just overflowing? Like every day is a constant stream of notifications, choices, and what ifs that leave you feeling totally paralyzed? We're all living in an overwhelmed world, and honestly, it's making it impossible to make the right decisions. But here's the thing, you don't have to keep spinning your wheels. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to cut through the noise and reclaim your clarity. We're talking about practical, real-world frameworks to help you stop agonizing over every little thing and start moving forward with actual confidence. If you've been feeling stuck in that loop of mental exhaustion, you're definitely not alone. And more importantly, it doesn't have to stay this way. Let's dive into how you can hack your decision-making and start focusing on what actually moves the needle for you. Ready? Let's get into it. First, let's acknowledge why this is happening. In our digital age, we aren't just making big life choices. We're bombarded with thousands of micro-decisions before we even leave the house. Studies show this leads to decision fatigue. When your brain's cognitive resources are drained, it starts taking shortcuts. You might pick the easy option, the impulsive one, or worse, you choose nothing at all. That's not a failure of character, it's a biological limitation. We need to stop fighting our biology and start working with it.
So, how do we fix it? We need to build guardrails. Rule number one, the rule of three. When you have a massive list of choices, limit your active consideration to just 3 options. Anything beyond that creates unnecessary friction. Rule number two, the 2-minute default. If a decision takes less than 2 minutes to execute, don't overthink it. Just execute. Save your deep thinking energy for the choices that actually shift your long-term trajectory. Rule number three, batching. Stop making when decisions. Decide your schedule, your meals, and your top priorities in advance. If you decide in the moment, you are inviting chaos into your brain. This isn't about turning yourself into a machine. It's about being intentional. Just like we talked about in our recent videos on the Feynman technique or memory retention, your brain is a tool that needs proper management to function at its peak. When you remove the noise of trivial decisions, you free up the mental bandwidth to master new skills and actually focus on what matters. It's a form of digital minimalism, clearing out the junk so you can build something meaningful. Look, you don't have to overhaul your life overnight. Start by applying just one of these frameworks today. Pick one area, your morning routine, your work tasks, or your email inbox, and set a rule. You'll be surprised at how quickly that fog starts to lift. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to keep digging into these brain hacks to make sure you're staying sharp in an increasingly chaotic world. Let me know in the comments, what's one decision that's been holding you back lately? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.